Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, before we get started today, I want to give you guys some information. You know those California wildfires. One of our channel family members lost their house in one of those fires. He's been a long time subscriber to the channel. I think he's been a subscriber since like the third month I started my YouTube channel. And I hadn't heard from him since like the middle of December. And so I sent him an email Tuesday. And he got back to me yesterday, which was Wednesday, and he said he's okay, but he lost everything in one of those wildfires. So if you would you please keep him in your thoughts and prayers? His name is Rick. He comments on every one of my videos, and that I was worried about him because he hadn't commented since the middle of December, and I was worried about him. So I reached out to him to find out what was going on, and here he lost his house and everything in one of those California wildfires. So if you guys would keep him and all the people in California in your thoughts and prayers, I would appreciate it. And I will try to keep informed with him and give you guys updates as I get the information. But I would definitely appreciate it. Today we are going to be making Monte Cristo sandwiches. I woke up yesterday and I woke up with coughing, sneezing, sinus drainage, feeling my heartbeat in my ears, and just feeling yucky. Well, I had a doctor's appointment anyway yesterday because it's January and I have to go in in January every year and get all new refills on my medicine and get checked up and everything. So she gave me a prescription for a Z-Pack. She said what I have is going around. So, yeah, so that's why you didn't get a video yesterday. I just did not feel like it. But I was going to make this yesterday with, I took one of the frozen homemade chicken soups that I had in the freezer. I took it out last night, and that's what I ended up having for dinner. But I was going to make this sandwich to go with it. So I ended up not and just eating the chicken soup. So today I'm going to make this sandwich. I'm going to make a couple of them. One of them I'll have for lunch because it's lunchtime. The other one I will eat with dinner tonight. So come on, let's get started. So in our bowl, I'm going to crack 2 eggs. And beat them up. And I have my skillet heating with about 1.5 tablespoons of butter in it. Now I'm going to add some milk to my eggs. Okay, now we're going to set that aside. Now we're going to assemble our sandwich. So on one side of your bread, you want to add some mustard. And make sure you spread the mustard out so it's not just all lumped up in one spot. And I'll tell you, with this sickness, it is no joking matter. 1 minute I'll be freezing cold, and like right now, I am sweating like there's no tomorrow. So on top of our mustard, we want to put a slice of provolone cheese. Then you want to add a couple slices of thinly sliced deli ham. And then on top of the ham, about enough. You want to add another slice of provolone cheese. One's going to have provolone, one's going to have mozzarella. Okay, then on top of that cheese, you need to add a couple thinly slices of deli turkey or chicken or or ham, whatever. You need some more deli meat on top of that middle slice of cheese. And because this one was short, a slice of ham, I added an extra slice of turkey. Now you want to top your deli meat with another slice of provolone cheese or mozzarella, either one. Now, your top slice of bread, the side that goes towards the lunch meat, you want to put some mayonnaise on. Now we're going to bring our egg mixture back over here. Turn my skillet back up. Now we're going to take our sandwich and we're going to dip it in our egg mixture. Flip it over, do the other side. Drain off any excess. and then put it in your skillet. Do the same thing to your other sandwich. Drain off the excess. And then put it in your skillet. Now you're going to cook these. You're going to cook these about 3 or 4 minutes per side until they're a nice golden brown and it's kind of like French toast. If you ever made French toast, that's what, to me, these remind me of like stuffed French toast with meat instead of fruit and stuff. And here is my pot of chicken noodle soup, homemade chicken noodle soup that I took out of the freezer and just put it in the pan. That's what I had for dinner last night, and that's what I'm going to have for dinner again tonight. Because nothing tastes better when you're sick than homemade chicken noodle soup. But yeah, if you guys would, just keep Rick and all the people in California around those wildfires, just keep them in your prayers. I couldn't imagine what it would be like to lose everything. Your house, everything in it, all your prized possessions. Because I know when they evacuate you, they don't give you time to get stuff. You're lucky if you get out with more than the clothes on your back. Now, don't those look good? See how nice and golden brown they are on that side? Now we're just going to cook them until they're golden brown on this side. Now that looks good. Now the recipe that I found to make these now this is going to sound funny because the recipe I found to make these says to serve them with some raspberry jelly. Well, I don't have just plain raspberry. I have blackberry. So I'm actually going to try this. I'm going to try it on a little bit of it. I'll try it on half. If I like it, then on the other half, I will put it on the other half. But there you have it, guys. This is what is for dinner and lunch. It smells really good. That jelly on there, because it's warm, it smells really good. So let me get a fork. And give this a taste. Tasting it with the black raspberry jelly. That is really good. That black raspberry jelly, that is really good on here. I thought they were crazy. But I like it. I really do like this. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching today's video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. If you want to become a channel member, hit that join button below. If you would like to help support the channel, there is a link to my Amazon, mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list in the description, and also there is a link to our PayPal account. As always, this recipe will be in the description box below. And if you ever want to talk to me and you don't want to do it in the comments and stuff, there is a link to my email. Just send me an email. I will answer you. I know the last couple videos, it's taken me a while to answer comments in the comments section, but I do try to get all of the comments answered. But if you want to talk to me about something and you don't want to put it in the comments section, just send me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day. Bye-bye.